So, how do you create an OnlyFans account? I'm going to tell you that in a few simple steps. So, if you want to create an OnlyFans account, the process only takes a few minutes. So, first, you just got to go to OnlyFans website and click sign up. Next, enter your email address, create a password, and choose a username. You can also sign up using an existing Google or X account if that option is available. After that, check your email inbox and verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent by OnlyFans. Once your email is verified, log into your new account and complete your profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and any other information you'd like to share. If you plan to become a creator and earn money on OnlyFans, you'll also need to complete identity verification and provide your payment information before you can start receiving payments. Just follow the on screen instructions, submit the required verification documents, and wait for approval. Verification times can vary depending on your account and region. Once approved, you'll be ready to use OnlyFans as either a subscriber or a creator. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.